Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Zeely app for beginners. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the website like so. Then you want to go and click on get started. Then it will ask you a couple of questions, small business owner, for example. Then here it tells you that they have helped more than 650,000 business grow sales. Then I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to go and click on I will sell products, for example, or I'm going to go back and click services. I'm going to click on both. Then I'm going to click on what's your business listed, Shopify, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, eBay, Amazon, and other, and so on. Then I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to click on continue again. And now you'll have to choose your industry. Now let's say that my industry is in marketing, education, and coaching, or something like that. I'm going to choose education and coaching. Then I'm going to go and click on what's your preferred way to get more customers. Let's say both. Then I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to click on continue again. Have you launched online ads? No, not yet. What's your main goal? Website traffic, for example. Then I'm going to click on continue. Do you know who your ideal customer is? I'm going to type not yet. Where do you want to reach your customers? I'm going to use Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google, and LinkedIn, and click on continue. And now I have a traffic, but turning them into buyers is tough. I'm going to use this one, for example. Then I'm going to click on continue. What's your monthly ad budget? Less than $100. Now make sure your ad budget works smarter with AI. I'm going to click on continue, then click on continue again. Now what it does, it's actually customizing your experience or your use according to what answers you have for these questions. So when you try to answer these questions, please be specific and be patient when you try to answer these questions, and be accurate. Do you struggle to find ad creatives that really sell? Yes. Then I'm going to click on continue again. Competition in my market is tough. Yes, strongly agree. Then I'm going to click on continue again. Have you used social media before to grow? No, not yet. And now choose all that apply: more followers, more sales, more bookings, more engagements, and so on, more website visitors. And you just have to choose the options that actually matters to you. So you just have to click on continue, agree to terms and condition, agree to these questions. They are just customizing your own experience. So once you finish these things right here, how active are people on your posts? Let's say low activity. Rapidly changing algorithms make it hard to stay effective. Yes, I strongly agree. I'm gonna click on continue, continue. Have you ever used a talking person in your video ads? Let's say I have tried myself. And this actually website is specializing in the UGC videos. How many sales do you receive per month? Let's say less than 10. What's your monthly goal? Let's say this one right here. What's your desired monthly income from your business? Let's say from $1,000 to $5,000. When do you want to reach your goal? Let's say 3 to 5 months. How much time you can spend on marketing each week? Let's say from 5 to 10 hours. I'm going to click on strongly agree. I'm going to click on continue, continue, and we're all set right now. I'm going to click on continue. And now it's customizing my own experience. Click on continue again. Of course, you'll have to add your email, then confirm it, then create your password, type your name, then click on continue, continue, continue. And it tells you exactly to get your plan. And now once you log in and choose your plan, you will see this interface. Now you have these three options. As you can see, you have the option to add your product from a website, or create a video, or generate static ad. Let's say that I will click on add product, add your first product. Here you will have to put the link of your product from one of your shops, let's say WordPress, Shopify, etc. Let's say that you do not have a link, just click on I do not have a link, and it will show you this interface. Now you should select the product type, the name of the product, the description, and the price, and here you should add the photo. Once you add all things, click on create product on the bottom right side. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.